Nehemiah. Nehemiah was a man with a special job. He worked for the king. Each day, Nehemiah would taste the king's food and drinks to be sure that they were good before the king ate it. He was called a cupbearer. He was close friends with the king because he saw him every day. One day, Nehemiah's brother and some other men came to see him. They told Nehemiah some bad news about his hometown. The city of Jerusalem was suffering because the city walls were broken and the gates had been burned down. When Nehemiah heard this bad news, he was very sad. He sat down and cried. For several days, he didn't eat any food while he prayed to God, asking him for help. Then Nehemiah went to see the king. The king noticed that he was sad and asked him,
"Why are you so sad?"
Nehemiah told the king about the city of Jerusalem that had broken down walls.
"What do you want me to do?"
The king asked Nehemiah. Nehemiah asked the king to let him go home to his city to rebuild the walls. He also asked the king for wood to repair the walls and protection from his enemies. The king gave Nehemiah everything that he asked for. So Nehemiah went home to Jerusalem. He walked around the city walls at night to see what was wrong with them. Then he told others about his plan to fix the walls and asked them for help. Many people thought that Nehemiah was a good leader and had a good plan. They joined in and helped to rebuild the gates and repair the walls. However, not everyone was happy about the new walls. Nehemiah's enemies laughed at him. Some people even tried to hurt him. But Nehemiah knew that God was on his side and that he was doing what was right. He knew that God would help him and the others. So he and his friends kept on working on the walls and gates. God helped them finish their work on the city walls in just 52 days. Nehemiah was a good leader. He helped other people do what was right. We should lead others also by helping them to do what is right.